yellow teeth. Hello?
You think your smile could use a makeover? Did you know you could get one without the hassle of costly and time-consuming dental procedures? Many people look to home remedies to make their teeth brighter, but with so much information in our digital world, it can be a challenge to know what your best bets are, and which to not bother with. In the next series of videos, we will explore some natural, at-home remedies that are safe and effective for teeth whitening. In this video, we will mainly look at baking soda and how it can give you brighter teeth and help improve your oral health. But before we proceed, if you haven't already, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any new video. Baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda, sodium bicarbonate, or bicarb soda, is a leavening agent that is used in cooking and baking in virtually every kitchen across the world. It is also used as a household cleaning agent and a popular alternative for toothpaste. In fact, many companies have started including baking soda as one of the components in their toothpastes and teeth whitening products. Baking soda functions as a teeth whitener in two ways. Because of its abrasive nature, it works as an excellent agent against plaque formation by tea, coffee, alcohol, tobacco, candies, bread, and other foods, giving you those clean, white teeth you so need. The alkaline powder in baking soda can help remove discolorations. There are other benefits of brushing teeth with baking soda apart from just a brighter smile. Using baking soda can help in supporting a more alkaline oral pH, reducing bad breath and treating painful mouth ulcers. The lower the pH in the mouth, the greater the risk of tooth decay. The enamel starts getting eaten up at an oral pH of 5.5 going down. With a pH of 8.3, baking soda pretty much keeps you out of trouble with the super evil, enamel-thirsty bacteria. Baking soda can help reduce periodontal pathogens, the bacteria that cause periodontitis, a serious gum infection that damages gums and can destroy your jawbone. Remember, baking soda is basically just sodium bicarbonate, which is a salt, and salts are naturally antimicrobial. In just 4 easy steps, here's how you can use baking soda to give your teeth that pearly white sparkle, all from home. Step 1. Mix together roughly equal parts of baking soda and water in a small cup. This could be 1/4 or 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with just enough water to form a paste. A paste is easier to apply and more effective than baking soda alone, which could otherwise result in things getting messy. You can also mix the baking soda with toothpaste instead, but avoid making this paste with lemon, strawberry, or any other fruit juice. These are acidic and could erode your teeth's enamel when combined with baking soda. Step 2. Brush your teeth with the baking soda paste for 1 to 2 minutes as you would with regular toothpaste. Be sure to brush all around instead of scrubbing one spot for the entire 2 minutes. Be gentle or you might hurt your teeth. Alternatively, you could use your fingertips to gently rub your teeth with the paste. Rub in soft circles, and don't use too much force. If you have receding gums, avoid brushing the base of your teeth or totally avoid brushing with baking soda. The receding gum line exposes tissue which is softer than the enamel that covers the crown of the tooth, and therefore is more prone to decay and structural damage from abrasives. Step 3. Rinse out your mouth when you're finished brushing. After brushing for 2 minutes, spit out the baking soda and rinse your mouth with water or mouthwash. Don't let the baking soda be on your teeth or in your mouth for more than 2 minutes. It's important to follow any baking soda routine by brushing with toothpaste, flossing, and rinsing the mouth out well. Be sure to thoroughly rinse your toothbrush as well. Step 4. Repeat this for no more than 3 times a week for 2 weeks. Ideally, just do it once or twice a week. You shouldn't whiten your teeth with baking soda more than once a day and no longer than 2 weeks in a row. Keep in mind that brushing your teeth with baking soda should not replace brushing your teeth with regular toothpaste. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and regular dental checkups still remain vital for optimum dental health. People using braces are advised to keep away from this as it can soften the adhesive used to hold the braces. So, there you have it. If used well, baking soda can give you brighter teeth and help improve your oral health.
Oh my God, look at your teeth!
What do you think? What's your experience using baking soda? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching. See you soon.